Guten Tag, and welcome to Berlin, the city that whispers tales of history, booms with vibrant culture, and pulsates with a unique energy all its own. Forget everything you think you know about Germany. Berlin is a city of contradictions. A captivating blend of gritty urban grit and sophisticated elegance. Of solemn memorials and electrifying nightlife. Get ready to explore a city that's constantly reinventing itself. A city that will steal your heart. Our journey begins, naturally, with a taste of Berlin's history. This isn't just about dusty textbooks. It's about feeling the weight of the past etched into the very streets you walk. The Brandenburg Gate, a symbol of both division and reunification, stands as a powerful testament to Germany's tumultuous past. Feel the echoes of history as you stand before it, imagining the wall that once divided this city. A wall that physically and symbolically separated families and dreams just a short stroll away. The Reichstag, the German parliament building, offers breathtaking panoramic views from its iconic glass dome. Book your free visit in advance, and prepare to be amazed by the sheer scale and architectural brilliance. From here, you can almost feel the pulse of German democracy. A testament to the country's remarkable journey towards reconciliation and peace. Berlin's past is not easy, but it's crucial to understand. The memorial to the murdered Jews of Europe is a powerful and moving experience. A stark reminder of the atrocities committed during the Holocaust. It's a place for reflection, for quiet contemplation, and a poignant reminder of the importance of remembrance and never forgetting. Take your time here. Let the scale and the emptiness speak for themselves. But Berlin isn't just about its weighty history. It's a vibrant, dynamic city bursting with creativity. Kreuzberg, for example, is a colorful explosion of street art, independent shops, and trendy cafes. This is the Berlin of alternative lifestyles. A place where the city's rebellious spirit shines through every graffiti-covered wall, every quirky vintage store, and every lively street corner. Fuel your explorations with delicious street food. Think currywurst, a Berlin classic, or indulge in some of the city's incredible international cuisine. From Turkish kebabs to Vietnamese pho, Berlin is a melting pot of flavors, reflecting its diverse and cosmopolitan population. Find a park, relax, soak up the atmosphere, and watch as life unfolds around you. Maybe grab a beer. It's practically a national pastime. For a dose of culture, head to Museum Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site home to some of the world's finest museums, from ancient artifacts to modern masterpieces. There's something to captivate every art lover. And don't miss the Berliner Dom, Berlin Cathedral, a magnificent example of German architecture. Its grandeur is truly awe-inspiring. As the sun sets, Berlin transforms. The city comes alive with a vibrant nightlife, from cozy bars to pulsating clubs, offering a taste of Berlin's unique and eclectic atmosphere. The East Side Gallery, the longest remaining section of the Berlin Wall, now transformed into an open-air art gallery, is a stunning backdrop for a night stroll. Berlin is a city that stays with you long after you leave. It's a city of contrasts, a city of stories, a city of endless possibilities. So pack your bags, book your flights, and prepare to be captivated by the magic of Berlin. Auf Wiedersehen.